Hello, this is Bhavya Jha Chaudhary. Today we will talk about EB-5. EB-5 is an investment-based immigrant visa option to the United States. Immigrant visa means either green card directly while you are in the United States in a lawful status, or immigrant visa from overseas, which grants you green card as soon as you arrive. The steps are: first we have to file a petition called I-526, which is the immigrant investor petition. This investment has to be made either in a regional center or in a direct investment project. Regional centers are companies that have been approved by Homeland Security Department. They have projects going on in rural areas or approved areas by the government. The investment amount that you have to invest is $800,000 in such rural areas, and the regional centers create the required jobs, which are 10 per investor, and maintain the project. The source of funds is extremely important because we have to account for every single dollar that you bring in. The source of money can be your own earnings and savings, income received from insurance payments. It could be gifts. It could also be a loan. If you do end up taking a gift, the person who is giving the gift, their source of funds have to be shown. The other option is called direct investment. Many of my clients say, I would rather start my own business and invest my money in my own business, which is absolutely fine. There are certain things you have to keep in mind. If you want to start a business, if you want to keep it in a rural area or in a high unemployment area, which is also a calculation based on the employment which is in the county that you are investing in and the neighboring tracts of land, then you need to invest either $1,050,000 if it's in a metropolitan area, or $800,000 if it's in a rural area or high unemployment area. You need to create 10 new positions per investor, which means that if it's a hotel project where you're constructing a new hotel, then after the hotel is ready and starts business, then there have to be 10 people who are employed by the hotel, not the people who are involved in the construction of the project. The third thing is, again, the source of funds, where the investor is getting the money from. And finally, one thing has to be kept in mind: the project needs to keep running. First, the investor gets, if approved, they get a conditional green card, which is valid for 2 years. Subsequently, before the end of those 2 years, they need to apply for removal of conditions, which results in permanent green card. So the project must keep running, and we have to establish that money was invested and the jobs were created. Thank you very much.